Hi and welcome to the video. In this video we're going to do something extremely exciting. We're going to actually use our editor that we installed and configured, Visual Studio Code. Again, not Visual Studio 2019, but the Visual Studio Code, kind of like the lightweight sibling of Visual Studio 2019. It is an excellent choice, not the only choice, but an excellent choice to edit React Native applications. We created a React Native application in a previous video. Now we're going to set up and edit it with our code editor, Visual Studio Code. Here's the folder, Mars Sim. It's under My Projects. My Projects is where I'm keeping all my React Native projects. Let's go ahead and launch Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code kind of has a memory and picks up where you left off last time. Since we just installed it, it's not going to have a memory of anything we've done so far. Let's go ahead and make some memories with Visual Studio Code. When we're working on a React Native project, the project location, everything in it matters. Starting the project, you want to start it within the folder of the project. Same thing here with Visual Studio Code. We want to make sure that we open a folder. Well, how do we get to this folder? Right here. There's the main icons you're going to use are on the left side. Let's take a quick tour. On the left side, Explore will allow you to explore your project files and folders. This will allow you to search, allow you to connect and use a source control such as GitHub and Git. This will allow you to run the project. These are extensions. If you click this, you'll see are extremely helpful. There are actually a couple thousand of them, so it's best to know what you're looking for and not just grab everything if you're using, say, C++ in here and just grab everything that says C++ or JavaScript, but kind of know what you're looking for. All right, let's go to Explore. We're going to open a folder. There are no folders open right now. If there were, this would show up here from last time. And again, this is our first use of this. We could clone a repository if we were getting this from source control, which we are not. We're getting this locally. So open a folder. We want to go to this folder right here. I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm going to copy this folder, paste it right up here, press enter. When I paste it, that'll take us right to the folder. So the Mars Sim folder is the folder I want to select. And now you can see this is the root folder right here, Mars Sim, and the file that is the most important is the app.js. This is the file that we're going to make a change to. Our change is going to be welcome to Mars. Now it shows there's one file here that we need to save. Has the one here. You can go to File and Save or Save All, or you can turn on Autosave. I'm going to turn on Autosave, and you'll notice that that disappears right away. Let's go and have some fun and run this. Now to run this, we're going to do the same as we did in our other video when we ran our first application and the AVD, which stands for Android Virtual Device. Go into the Mars Sim top. I'm going to type in CMD, pressing enter. That will not only open a CMD window, leave us where we're at in here, but it will also, in this window that it opened, bring us right where we need to be. Right where we were in our Windows, our File Explorer. It saves a lot of typing here. Let's do a directory, dir. This will show you the contents of the folder. We're in the right folder. Let's go ahead and start this. So npm space start. Since we're Node Package Manager, and this will start a GUI. Remember, we have to have an Android virtual device already running before we do this, and we do. We have one right here. Now we're going to run on the Android device emulator. It is connecting. It should be a little bit quicker this time because we do not have to install Expo again. Expo is already there. Okay, this is taking longer than I expected. So we'll operate this just like an Android phone. Come down here and click where we have control over the windows. I'm going to push up, just like you do with my phone, to get Expo out of the way and push up on the project. Now I'm going to go ahead and restart this, close this, and I'm going to close this also. I'm going to restart everything. I'm not going to restart the emulator. If it comes to that, I will, but this happens sometimes. Do you want to reload this? No, I don't. Let's go ahead and restart this. Mars Sim, CMD, and that will bring up the Mars Sim folder. Start the Mars Sim. I'll make this a little bit larger so those in the back can read. Node Package Manager, space, start, press enter. This will grab our browser, our default browser. It will kick this off here, starting the bundle. It will also try to connect to, if we press our run on Android device emulator. So let's go and press that. Attempting to connect. Let's watch it. This is normal. Not only started the emulator, but it's Welcome to Mars, which is our application that we went in and edited. And those are the changes we made. So this is our Android application taking shape. Videos will take even more shape and become a much cooler application.